You're not telling the truth. You're lying. You never met anybody from San Lagi except for San Saraswi? Pwede mo ba akong mapaniwala? Ikaw binigyan ng... Itong si Dennis, ang kausap niya na daw, nung una si Angaw, then si Saraswi. I think...
meron pang isa, sir. Meron pa pang isa.
Andali, wag mong isa-isahin. Kasi I will doubt. And I might... kasi halata eh.
Isa lang ho yung nakakausap ko nga na Pilipino na kasama
Sino?
doon, yung Norman Macapagal.
Yun kanina pa. Kanina wala. Ngayon, Norman Macapagal na naman. Ubusin mo na nga eh.
Yun lang sila.
Hindi, mayroon pa. Wag kang tatawa-tawa. Yung tungkol kay Medina. Diba?
Yes.
O, kita mo?
Yun yung lawyer.
Mr. Chairman, again, this person is lying. Is Dennis Cunanan present? Nag-CR? Napaka-alas ko naman.
First time that we'll be asking Dennis Cunanan.
This is the first time.
Pa. Sige, go ahead.
Mr. Chairman, before I proceed.
2 items ka naman. What's the other one?
Hindi, gusto ko lang balikan yung pagkor. Ano na to, slide
Ayan na
sa
si
pagkor?
Dennis. Yan na si Mr. Dennis Cunanan. You can ask him.
Okay. Hindi, pagkor muna, Mr. Chairman, kasi ano lang, ito, mabilis lang. Compliance lang to. Compliance lang. Pagkor, please, as mentioned during the previous hearing, you claim that there are 402 illegal operations of Pogo. Tama? 402.
Based on PAOK's records, sir.
Yeah, PAOK, 402. And there are only 45 legal.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now, as mentioned by Chairman Domingo, and you confirm that indeed, ano na to yung question ng operator at saka yung service provider, di ba? So, kindly submit to this committee, to the chair, which of these 402 are service provider and which are of these 402 operator?
Will do, sir.
Okay, the same as the 45 that you claim legal.
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you. Now, Mr. Chairman, let me proceed with Dennis Cunanan. Sir, good afternoon po.
Good afternoon, sir.
Thank you for coming. Why was you absent during the last hearing?
Last hearing, sir, we made manifestation that we have a pen. Last Monday, we attended.
Lapit-lapitan mga po.
Last Monday, sir, we attended the Senate. That's why we're okay now. We were released already based on that.
Last Sunday?
Yeah,
last Monday?
Yes, Your Honor.
This week?
Yes, Your Honor.
But the hearing was conducted last week.
Wednesday.
Wednesday?
But prior to that, Your Honors, 2 weeks prior to that, there was the contempt was arrest warrant. Senate.
You?
Yes, Your Honor.
So nagtago ka muna. Ayaw mo pumunta dito kasi baka dito maserve ang contempt order sa'yo. Anyway, okay, Mr. Chairman, let me proceed. Now, Mr. Cunanan, ano po yung ano mo? Ano po yung... you mentioned that you have a consultancy firm.
Yes, Your Honors. Your Honors, if you will allow, can I just read briefly my...
It's up to the chairman.
If not,
Statement?
I can put it.
How long will be the statement?
Just a page.
1 page? It's all about what, Dennis?
But it's okay, Your Honors. I can just...
Because there are a lot of interpellators pa and
We'll just submit it, Your Honors.
yeah, please submit to us na lang and as it goes, we'll be asking questions naman lang.
Yes, Your Honors.
Sige, go ahead, Congressman Paduano.
Okay, first, Mr. Cunanan, you mentioned that you have a consultancy firm. And what's the name of that consultancy firm?
We have a consultancy firm, sir, Advantage Management Consulting Philippines.
Is it registered to
SEC, Your Honor.
SEC?
Yes, Your Honor.
Ano yan? When was that firm registered?
We started organizing, Your Honors, in 2017. And then in 2018, we were already organizing fora and discussions, particular to startups, strategic organizing. And then by 2019, sir, we officially registered.
So 2019?
Yes, sir.
And who are those board and officers of that consultancy firm?
We have one international board member, and we have businessmen
And that
and
international,
friends in
what's
JCI.
the citizenship of that international
US, Your Honor.
US? Okay. Now, have you submitted that your incorporation sa yung documents from SEC in the committee?
We can submit, Your Honor.
Please submit.
Yes.
You have now?
I don't have it with me right now, Your Honor.
Please submit na lang po. Then, nandito naman pong SEC. SEC. Paki-produce na lang po, no, for official record of this committee, while Dennis Cunanan have committed to submit the documents, but still the official documents should come from the SEC.
We'll just need the name.
O, the name daw.
We'll give it, Your Honor.
O, before the next hearing, dapat makita namin po. Okay. So, 2019. Tama?
Yes, Your Honor.
So, regular yung ano nyo? Regular yung renewal?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay.
Opo.
Okay. So, anong position mo doon sa firm?
I'm the president and CEO, Your Honor.
You're the president and CEO.
Yes.
So, ano yung ano mo? Anong services that you rendered to Lucky 999?
Your Honors, what happened, let me just contextualize it. What happened with Lucky South actually is we were in Central Luzon at that time because we
When was that?
sometime 2019 October, Your Honor.
So, that was the time that your firm was already...
We already established, Your Honor. We were
But that was also 2019. When was that?
we were organized first part of 2019, early part of 2019, and then latter part of 2019, sometime October. We were in Central Luzon because we were working on.
Sandali po. So, October.
Yes, Your Honor.
Oh, so October, nyo na-register? October
No,
mo
no,
rin?
no, no, Your Honor. We were registered July.
July?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. Few months after? Sige po.
We were in Central Luzon because we were working on a project for cityhood campaign of one municipality in Central Luzon. So in the course of our looking for an office, is strategically okay to locate in Angeles City because I'm from Pampanga. We got across this group who talked to us and they were introduced to us. Was asking if with our levels of consultancy, if we can assist them with their application for license, which we did not accept at first, Your Honor.
Kasi
because we do not
na-introduce sa inyo?
We were in the location where they are right now because there were offices there.
And then, tanong ko, who introduced you to Lucky South 999 during the time?
There's this certain Han Gao, Your Honors.
You also a Chinese citizen?
Yes, Your Honor.
Han Gao?
Yeah.
Paano?
Charlotte, she was Charlotte Chia. She was the one.
Babae?
Babae po. She was the one. She was the one with. She was the one with Lucky South at that time.
Charlotte was
Charlotte
with?
Chia. Opo. Lucky South po siya.
She's part of Lucky South?
Yes.
Pero sigurado ka Chinese national?
Yes, Your Honor. Kasi po yun ang pakilala niya. Chap,
Hindi,
umalis.
She can speak English?
Yes, Your Honor.
Fluent, okay.
Yes.
Now, you were offered but you refused. Why?
Because we really do not understand what the whole offshore gaming concept is.
So
We
the
told them-
time, talagang malinaw na Pogo ang approach niyo.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay.
Yes.
So hindi malinaw. So that's why you refuse.
Yes, Your Honor. So
Okay, then
we told them, if you want, we can check for you, and then if we are okay, then let's come back. We'll come back to you, and then we'll discuss. So a few months after, Your Honors, we went back to them sometime November. We brought them just a check,
November of
2019.
Okay.
So we gave them a checklist from the website of Agcor, and we told them, I think it's easy if you can comply with the requirements. So once you get comply with the requirements, there are financial requirements, etc. If you can comply, I think we can help you out. That's when it started, Your Honors. And then the next time we met.
Sandali po. So November, kamo. Okay?
Yes, Your Honor.
So that was the time that time pala hindi pa operational yung
Wala
Lucky
pa,
South
sir. Wala
99.
pa.
Okay.
Wala pa.
Now, sinong kausap mo doon? November.
Yun sir, si Miss Charlotte Sia, and apparently I found out her
Charlotte
Sia.
Zia?
Sia,
Iba pa yung Hanggaw.
SHIA. And then apparently, sir, I found out her real name is Han Gao.
Okay.
Han Gao.
Charot si Hanggaw. Okay.
English
Tapos,
name niya pala yun, sir.
sino pa?
Siya yung kausap lang namin, sir.
Sino?
Siya lang po yung kausap namin.
Siya lang.
Apa. Siya lang yung humaharap sa amin. For Lucky.
For Lucky South? Oh, ano yung ano niya?
Ang sinasabi ho niya nun,
Anong
yung kanya-
personality niya? When you talk to you?
ang sinasabi ho niya, yung kanyang mga principals are out of the country.
Hindi, kaya nga, principal niya out of the country, but what is her position in Lucky South daw?
Nung pumirma po siya, president nakapirma eh.
Oh, the president.
Eventually yun, nung pumirma, president.
President.
Opo.
Oh, before you proceed, Sir Dennis, Chairman, have you invited a certain Charlotte Chia? Hanggaw?
Sino?
Charlotte Chia? Hanggaw.
Hanggaw?
Yeah, Hanggaw.
They're gone.
Wala.
Yeah.
Oh, no,
Wala.
but we have to invite the next hearing, Mr. Chairman.
Yes, we will.
Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Do you know specific address of Hanggaw?
Ako ngayon.
He was just there, Your Honors, in Porac. That's where she stays at that time. But as far as I know, sir, in 2020, she left already.
Huh?
She left already in 2020.
Left.
Yes, Your Honors.
Why?
I really don't know the reason, Your Honors, but she resigned from the company in 2020, and then a certain Sarah Xu, which is Hui Chi, took over as interpreter. That's why during that time, I was designated as the temporary authorized representative because it used to be Hanggaw.
Okay, so that was 2020.
Yes, Your Honor.
So, exactly when was that? Month lang.
No, sir. That's July of 2020.
July 2020. So, ikaw na ngayon yung official representative of Lucky South 99.
Temporary, Your Honor.
Hindi nga.
Yes, yes.
Now, when the raid was conducted,
Wala na, sir.
anong wala?
Hindi na po ako kasama doon.
O when,
Wala.
kaya ka na umalis doon?
Okay, Your Honors. In June 19, 2023, Pagcor called for an exclusive meeting among all licensees of offshore, and they mentioned there that even the authorized representatives will be as liable as the key officers of offshore gaming operators. And I told Lucky South, it's not tenable anymore for us to be there.
Okay, so June of 2023.
Yes, Your Honor.
You stayed there for almost 3 years. Tama?
No, sir. Actually, what happened is after we helped them with their license, what happened is we are on call. Ibig sabihin, no, kunwari, isang month, meron silang mga documents na dumating sa kanila. They will request us to come and review the documents, and if it's proper that they're answering it, yun lang yung ginagawa namin. Once a month or maybe other 2 months, they will call for us and then they will pay us based on a consultancy on a per hour basis. Wala ko kaming engagement talaga. Pero officially, sir, technically,
So, sino kausap mo doon? Kung every day, 1 month or 2 months nandun ka?
yung pong Sarah Xu, yung kanilang
Siya lang?
interpreter. Yeah,
Anong position niya doon?
she's in the accounting and she's representing she's representing the company. Usually
Chinese.
naman gagawin lang muna.
Chinese.
Chinese
Again? Chinese siya?
English speaking, Your Honor. Siya yung
So,
nakapag-English.
Chairman, tingnan mo. Nung una Hanggaw, then itong... You never met anybody from San Lagi except for Saraswi? Pwede mo ba akong mapaniwala? Ikaw binigyan ng...
Your Honors, this is what happened every time we go there. Every time we go to the place, they will give us already the documents for review. And this Sarah is the only one English speaking. Binanggit ko nga rin doon sa Senate hearing noong Monday. There may be other people around, but I really do not know who they are because they don't speak English, sir. And we do not even relate. We do not even talk to each other. Because they cannot speak English. Every time they want to ask something, it is through these interpreters that they relate to us.
If I may, Congressman,
Chairman.
Sige, go ahead.
Paok. Sir, Paok. Oh. Itong si Dennis, ang kausap niya na daw, nung una si Hanggaw, then si Saraswi. I think...
meron pang isa, sir. Meron pa pang isa.
Andali, wag mong isa-isahin. Kasi I will doubt And I might... kasi halata eh. O sino pang isa?
Yung Xiang Ji, Your Honors, yun po yung presidente naman. Yung chairman nila.
O
Xiang
so...
Ji.
wag mong... buuin mo na. Sino pa?
Hindi yun nga, sir. Yung after nga ako nung
Kasi
Sara...
kanina tinanong kita, it's only Sara Sue. Tapos, kasi yun ang marunong mag-English. Yung una, Hanggaw. Then
Noong
yung
2022 po, dumating na sa Philippines yung Xiang Ji. So, nakausap na rin namin yung Xiang Ji. Kasi siya na rin ang pumipirma ng mga documents sila.
kita mo. Chairman. Wala bang Pilipino na nakilala mo doon o nakausap mo? That is involved in Danlaki and all those operations in Purak?
Hindi ho sila nag-hire ng Filipino for operation purposes. Nag-hire ho sila ng
Hindi
Filipino
nga
for...
connected sa kanila.
Isa lang ho yung nakakausap ko nga
Sino?
na Pilipino na kasama
Sino?
doon. Yung Norman Macapagal. Yun ako.
Kanina pa. Kanina wala. Ngayon, Norman Macapagal naman. Ubusin mo na nga eh.
Yun lang sila.
Hindi, mayroon
Your Honor.
pa. Wag kang tatawa-tawa.
No, sir. No, Your Honors. What I'm saying, Your Honors, honestly, when we
Ano
go
honestly? You're not telling the truth. You're lying. Mayroon pa. Mr. Chairman. Ito, pagbigyan kita. Pagbigyan kita. Ano, you want an executive session? Kasi parang hindi ka buuin mo na kasi. Kung medyo alanganin ka, you ask for it. You ask for an executive session. And if the chair and the members of this committee will grant, we'll give you the time. No, Chairman, I will hold my fire to Dennis. Mag-isip-isip ka.
May I interject?
Yeah, proceed ka, Chairman.
Or ano? Sandali. Dennis, Gunanan,
Yes, Your Honor.
you own the company, consultancy, Advantage Management, Philippine Incorporated. Is this correct?
Yes, Your Honor. But can I just clarify? They
No,
did
no, no,
not-
no, no. I'm just asking if you
Yes,
own.
Yes.
You own this?
Yes.
Correct. Oh, yes. From 2017 to present. Correct?
Yes.
Okay. And a while ago, while I was listening to your answering the query of Chairman Paduano, you just said that you check all the documents na sinasubmit sa iyo ng iyong mga client, like si Cassandra Leong. Is this accurate?
She appeared as a corporate secretary, sir.
Sagutin mo na muna kung chine-check mo yung mga documents that being submitted to you by Cassandra, yung kanilang company. Di ba? O yung Lucky South.
Yes, Your Honor.
Di ba ikaw sa
Yes,
Lucky South?
Yes.
So lahat ng dokumento, nire-review mo. Nire-review ninyo.
Yes, sir.
Yes, and all these documents are being reviewed by your consultancy, for that matter. Correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
In these documents that have been submitted to PAGCOR, and I will show you the documents. You sign it, no? There are some annual personal disclosure statements that have been submitted
Yes, sir.
by you. And you signed it, and it was notarized. And I want to show it that in here, may mga katanungan. Can you kindly show the documents para mapakita natin? Kasi nagre-review kayo ng mga dokumento di ba? And this one, parang I think merong mga mali sa mga sinabi mo. Kasi alam mo yan, yung annual personal disclosure statement will be the basis of PAGCOR, di ba? For the approval of their, yung kanilang mga, for registration or for the license, di ba? And you are also a part of the consultant of the said company. Dito, binabanggit dito, have you ever been convicted of an offense? Wait. Have you been ever convicted of an offense? Yes or no?
In the Sandigan Bayan, Your Honor.
Ha?
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes, you were. Di ba? And you answered no. Sa annual personal disclosure statement mo that was submitted to PAGCOR. Sabi mo no. Have you been charged with the offense and awaiting hearing or otherwise subject to a pending prosecution? Yes or no? Were you
Yes, Your Honor.
charged?
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes. But your answer was no. Now, You were asked, to your knowledge, are you under investigation? By the police, by any other government agency, any professional body. Were you? Yes or no?
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes. But your answer is no. You lied. Diba? Under oath. By a notary public. Signed by you and by Attorney Pablo B. Ahesta. Now, kaya nagdududa kami sa mga tanong ni Congressman Paduano Because dito pa lamang, nagsinungaling ka na. What more? Dito sa kongresong ito. Di ba?
If I
At any rate, sumingit lang ako kay Congressman Paduano. What I'm trying to point out, even the PAGCOR have the responsibility. Because during the time, anong time to? Kaninong chairman to? When you applied,
as administrator.
past administration, ma'am, this is your responsibility. Maybe not you, but
Sir.
your people's responsibility.
To clarify lang po, sir, yung mga sinasabi nila na nire-represent ni Mr. Dennis Cunanan, yung Hongsheng, at saka yung Lucky 99, hindi po yan nakapag-operate dahil hindi po nila nabuo yung proseso ng pag-a-apply.
It doesn't make sense, ma'am. It doesn't matter. Because what we are trying to point out here is the truthfulness of the annual personal disclosure statement that was submitted by Dennis Cunanan to PAGCOR. We're not trying to discuss the operation of the company. What we're trying to prove in here that he lied in his PDS and thereby putting some questions to the integrity of your answers in this committee. You may proceed.
Chairman, thank you. Chairman, yun din siya. Ito pa, itatanong ko. Kasi pumasok na si Ma'am Andrea. Sabi mo kasi hindi nag-operate. O, tanongin ko yung PAOK. O, PAOK based on the holdings and the raid. Anong nangyari doon? May operations ba? Wala.
Ano po,
I'm not... my question is not referred to you. I referred it to the PAOK team just to confirm indeed na tama yung ano mo. Tama yung, yung claims mo that there is no such operations. Tapos balik ko yan kay Dennis.
Yes, Your Honor. During our raid, sir, there were definitely operations, sir. Hindi ko lang po alam, sir, nung period na sinasabi.
Hindi, pero ganun na rin kasi yung ano nila, yung processing ni Dennis. Dennis, when was that? Yung approval from PAGCOR?
Noong 2020, sir, meron na silang special service provider license.
Oh,
And then they applied for a mother license in
July
2020.
20.
December, sir, nung nag-apply sila for service provider.
Oh,
Tapos, mabas, sir, yun ng January.
pero tanong, di binigyan. Tama, ng permit. Di ba? Kompleto.
Yung service provider, Your Honors.
O nga. Kompleto, di ba?
Yes.
Oh, ma'am, kompleto. And now you're telling this committee that there is no such operations happens?
iba po yung service provider dun sa Pogo, sir.
What's the use of having a service provider kung hindi naman gamitin sa Pogo?
Baka po yung service provider na yon, meron po siyang ibang sinaservice na Pogo.
Ay, susunod ako.
Hindi ko po kasi, I don't have the, pero po itong maliwanag, kasi po, kailangan siguro i-explain ko yung process.
And then, explain mo na kanina, alam na namin yon na may
Hindi po
limang,
yung
blah,
pag-issue
blah, blah.
ng license.
Ang sinasabi ko lang, ma'am, ganito. Now, here comes Dennis. Kinonfirm niya that was approved 2020. Oh, ano pang, tapos pag-approve, ano? Tapos,
Pag-approve po,
yung
nagpa-upgrade
raid,
yata
ng
sila ng
actual
Pogo.
raid was just the first day of operation? Are you telling me that was the first operation ng raid? But all the documents was approved 2020? Wala naman. Dennis, tanungin kita. Tanungin kita. Binigyan na kayo ng permiso, lahat-lahat, kompleto. O, kailan nag-operate?
They have to cease operations during as a CSP, sir, nung nakakuha sila from Kirchner, yung kanyang main license, nung nakakuha sila nun, nag-start sila. Tapos nag-stop po sila during the pandemic. They have to stop.
Kita mo?
Oh.
They started and they stopped because of the pandemic. Oh, when was that pandemic? That was 2020, di ba?
Yes, sir.
2021. Nag-stop sila. Di ba? Tama? Tapos 2022,
No, Your Honor. What happened is, in 2020, they applied for mother license. So, nung nag-apply po sila ng
pero
mother...
prior to that,
Hindi na sila, sir. Hindi na.
hindi nga prior to that ang tinatanong ko. Before the mother.
SP, sir.
Oh,
Service provider. Yes, sir.
oh, di ba?
Awa.
Oh. Anyway, Dennis. Oh, yan. Pinakita ni chairman sa iyo. O pagkor. O kayo na ngayon sa administration. O. Anong possibility ni Mr. Dennis Cunanan? Kasi she represents eh.
Sir, kasi po right now, wala na pong lisensya yung Hongsheng Gaming Technology and Lucky South Technology. But should it have been found during the time na meron po silang lisensya, it's a ground for the cancellation of the license.
Of course, but now post to the person. Legally. Nadaya kayo eh.
Yes, sir.
Di ba? That's under oath. Oh. Lawyer ka. Di alam mo kung anong
Last
diba,
question.
liability niya. Hindi, di pa. Di pa last. Oh, sige, last ko na.
Then, wag muna. Ako muna. Interject ako. So, before
Just a parliamentary inquiry, Mr.
I know
Chairman.
that you will be asking
No,
for
I
your...
was just going to ask whether Congressman Paduano and the chair would like to take my time so that I can give it to you freely.
Man, not me. Chairman Barbers, not me. It's the chairman.
Okay, before you proceed, Congressman
sige.
Paduano, Chairman, Chair would like to acknowledge the presence of Chairman Momo. Malis na po. Yan, nainip na kasi nga ang tagal magsalita ni Chairman Paduano.
Oh.
And also Congressman Representative Gas Estampunting, our chairman ng legislative franchise.
Ako pa may problema.
Thank you, Mr.
May I-
Chair, for
Yes.
the acknowledgement.
May I...
Ganito lang, balikan ko lang si Dennis. Dennis, again, may ano pa eh, may marami pa akong holdings eh. No. Inisa-isa mo kasi, from Charlotte, diba, to Susan, at to Sarah, then, eto na ngayon, may Norma na. Nung tinanong kitang Pilipino, marami. Ba't hindi mo divulge lahat? Pati yung connection ng mga former government officials. Pati yung mga abogado. So ngayon sabihin mo na, yung tungkol kay Medina. Diba?
Yes.
Oh,
yes,
kita
sir.
mo?
Yun yung lawyer.
Mr. Chairman, again, this person is lying.
Yes, I think, and I believe...
Remember, kaya nga tinanong kita gusto mo, if you cannot tell in public all your knowledge about the operations, are you willing for an executive session? This will be my last question to you. Are you willing?
Yes, Your Honor.
Oh, he's willing.
Before we have an executive session...
Okay, thank you.
Okay, thank you so much. Dennis, I believe that you know this girl, no? Kilala mo naman to.
Yes, Your Honor.
Kilala mo.
Yes, Your Honor.
Client.
She's the corporate secretary, Your Honor.
Siya yung corporate secretary ng
Lucky South, Your Honor.
Lucky South. Okay. We have an information that binigay niya sa kayo yung $500,000 para sa payment sa PAGCOR. And you deny it, correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
Wala ka natanggap na $500,000.
Everything that were either
Again,
entrusted
Dennis,
to us, wala, sir.
Dennis. Dennis, you are under oath.
Yes, Your Honor.
Tandaan mo, ha?
Yes, Your Honor.
If I will be proving to you that you have received $500,000 in the next hearing, we will be citing you in contempt.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. Thank you so much, ha? All right, thank you. So, sige, you have Sige, go ahead, Congressman Akop.
Last
Paduano.
one, Chairman. Anyway, I will not ask any more questions. At ayaw ko rin ubusin yung oras ni Chairman Barbers. I'm still questioning to some other resource speakers. But, Sir Dennis, okay, you have committed to for an executive session, so you should tell the truth and nothing but the truth. Kasi, kung wala rin may makukuha, pagbalik dito, contempted ka na. I will cite you in contempt. Tama?
So maybe we will be... Yes, Congressman Akop.
But,
Yes, I think it is incumbent upon the resource speaker to tell us the amount of the information that he's going to reveal to us if it entails our national security. Otherwise, kung wala naman siyang in relation to the security of this country, then I think the members should not allow it. Di ba? And let him lie, and lie.
Yes. We will cite him in contempt
Yes.
to be jailed at the Quezon City Jail, Mr. Chairman.
Kasi dito pa lamang po sa
Direct,
dokumento dito pa lamang sa dokumento that you have executed and submitted to PAGCOR, which is a government agency, you lied. It was clearly stated on the PDS that you lied. At any rate, naubusan natin oras ni Congressman Barber, so we will be proceeding to the next interpellator, who happens to be Congressman Barbers, and then after that, I will be the last to interpolate.
Chairman?
Yes.
I know your ruling.
wala pa, hindi
So far
pa.
as my issue is concerned.
Oh yes. What's the concern? If what's the basis for the executive session? So
Chairman,
let me wait, Congressman Paduano. The chairman is still speaking. So I will be allowing Dennis Cunanan to explain the amount or the matter that he will be going to discuss with the members of these two committees. You are in the liberty of saying something. Go ahead.
Your Honors, even earlier on, what I was supposed to mention is, we have a very limited engagement with these companies, and then our name has been dragged in this investigation when we were
Mr.
so
Chair.
so far.
Point of order.
What's the point of order of Congressman Akop?
The resource person is not answering the question propounded by the chair. Bakit siya humihingi ng executive session? Ano ang dahilan? Because under our rules, there are only reasons stated therein bakit natin i-grant yung executive. Yun po ang rules natin eh.
Okay.
Now, does it satisfy our rule? Pwede natin grantan siya ng executive session? Would it affect national security in the first place?
Yes. The premise of Congressman Akop, initially it was offered to you to have an executive session, and you replied by answering that you wanted to have an executive session. For that matter, what is your reason for us to hear the narrative that you wanted to tell us on the executive session? What was it? Does it entails national security?
Your Honors, it was mentioned, and I said I'm okay with it.
With your own, that's the reason why the good congressman from Antipolo was asking. So kung sumagot ka ng opo, gusto ko rin pong mag-executive session, there must be a reason why you wanted to be a part of that executive session. Di ba?
Yes, Your Honor. And
So ano nga?
if there are any other things that as being asked along the way, Your Honors, I can articulate some information, but these are nothing that I'm not disclosing, Your Honor. We're disclosing whatever information we have and whatever information we know.
Yes, Congressman Paduano.
anyway, Mr. Chairman, I was the one who asked Mr. Dennis Cunanan about an executive session. But of course, Mr. Theoretically, no, the question of Pogo now and this investigation entails national security. Kasi alam naman natin lahat eh. Hindi na tayo, di ba, alam na natin may problema to. This entails national security. But, of course, giving the privilege for Mr. Conanan to have an executive session, titingnan na, evaluate natin kung indeed. Diba, pag upo natin doon na wala man sila masabi, o better balik tayo dito. Tanungin natin siya, pag balik siya, di, kahit natin in contempt. Ganun lang po. Kasi, as far as I understand, the investigation with regards to Pogo all over the country entails, it's a question of national security now. And, as a chairman of the Public Order and Safety, alam ko na alam to ni chairman that Pogo investigation and Pogo problem in this country is a question of national security as of now. Thank you, Mr.
Anyway,
Chairman.
siguro,
Mr. Chair, may I know if he has a lawyer? May I know if you have a lawyer?
you have a lawyer,
Chair.
Mr. Dennis Cunanan?
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes, you have a lawyer with you. So, siguro mamaya, after the presentation of my interconnection matrix, no, I'll be presenting something with regards to the three committees: committee on dangerous drugs, and committee on public accounts, and the committee on public order.